Hello and welcome to this tutorial on MeterMaster. We'll start by selecting MeterMaster. MeterMaster is the go-to place to find out about existing meters that are in place, adding a new meter, meter readings, and test results for meters. This is the main screen, which has your normal position to and finds, and the meters are in ascending order. We'll start by selecting I'll type in a meter up here so we can look at one. If you want to see the customer, if there is a customer with this meter, all you have to do is click the fold, unfold button, and you can see the customer with it. And to see the different fields for this meter, I'll right click and we will select change to go through the different fields. The meter dial serial number, this is the unique number for the meter, and this number is used basically to record the usage of the meter. And meter housing number is we use this number for our search engine pretty much, and typically make it the same number as the serial number. And the manufacturer code, these are set up in the master file, and they're pretty much your basic, manufacturers, Badger, Hersey, manufacturers. The meter description, that's where you enter the description for the meter, and we use this description on our reports and bills and in the customer accounts. The part number, if you have it, you can put your part number for the meter in here. Associated transaction code, this is used for billing purposes. This number comes from the transaction master, which contains, transaction types and classes, meter size information, meter types, and what service order that this meter is allowed to use. And the consumption multiplier is used in the billing process for multiplying the consumption. And we'll go down here in meter information, meter type. You have water, sewer, your grinder pump. It's just basically the type that you're using, meter. And meter size is 4-inch, 6-inch. You don't have to have a size. 5/8 inch, just. And then your meter dial is 3, 4, 5, or no dials. And the test circle digits, this is your AMF requirements that your company has, and basically this number's used during the meter processing. And your accuracy code is the number of digits at the end of the reading that's going to be dropped. And date purchased is date the meter was bought. Current meter reading is its last meter reading. And their current meter reading right here is its last known reading. And meter status code can be active, damaged, missing, retired, or brought in for service. typically you don't usually come in here and change these codes. They're usually done for you. Like if you do a problem ticket and you say it's damaged, we go ahead and take care of it and put damaged in there. And down here you got your 12 months usage, your total consumption for the 12 months, how many total days were in that month, and your average bill for the 12 months. And down here you have your highest and lowest consumption for that 12-month period. Now we'll take a look at some meter readings from this guy. Select meter readings, and here it's basically showing you all the readings that have ever taken place for this meter. And as you can see, your last reading date, your consumption, the invoice it was tied to, and the location it was tied to. And you can right click here and go even further into detail. You can see all the information we've seen on other screens, and you can see why it might have been skipped, or if there's a problem with it, and who the service person was that read the meter, and and when it was uploaded. And one last thing I want to show you is the test screen. You can see when this meter how many times it's been tested and when. As you can see, this one's only been tested once. And if I click here, you can change your results or anything, or just see basically the screen here where you add your test results. And that's pretty much your MeterMaster. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our utility management system, feel free to contact us at 501-327-8000. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.